Hello guys, this is Saurabh Singhania and today I'll be talking about my experience in Anglo-Eastern Maritime Academy. It is in Karjat, Maharashtra. Well, I spent there almost a year and I made some great memories, great friends, really great friends. And I'll be talking about, a lot of different things about how I used to spend my time on Sundays, on regular days. So yeah, I think it's going to be, an informative video. Stay tuned. If you find anything, a bit awkward or faulty, bear with me. My apologies. This is my first video. Love you all. Talking about the daily life or routine, everybody has to attend musters every day, to be specific, twice a day. So those who do not know what's a muster, I'll tell you. Muster is basically, a roll call kind of a thing. Head count होता है, to make sure that everybody is present. अगर कोई information किसी को देनी हो, a little bit of briefing, क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना. So yeah, something like that. So it's a mandatory requirement. You are not allowed to skip musters. Only on the medical grounds you are exempted. So the first muster is at 6 a.m., then 8 a.m., and the last one is at 8 p.m. at night. Talking about the classes usually starts at around 9 a.m. और सुबह 9 बजे से शाम के 5-5:30 बजे जाते हैं classes में. There's a lunch break of around 45 minutes to 50 minutes. ऐसा कुछ रहता है. But trust me guys, it's going to be a very hectic schedule. But you're going to learn a lot of things, especially time management. But keep this in mind, time तो नहीं मिलेगा. बहुत मुश्किल है time manage करना. But trust me, you'll learn. Now some special moments, guys. Let's see. So one of the things that we all loved doing was participating in jamming sessions. So thankfully there was this guy in our class named Vads. He was a brilliant singer. We used to sing, together in a group. It was one of the best experiences. मतलब मजा आता बिल्कुल. पूरे दिन में इतना hectic schedule हो रखा है. You are like very tired. और रात में अगर एक jamming session हो जाए, बस मजा आ जाता. Talking about this guy, so he's like really talented. गाना गाने में एक नंबर, पढ़ाई करने में एक नंबर, किसी की मिमिक्री करना एक नंबर, कोई इवेंट होस्ट करना एक नंबर, दारू से मुलाकात हो गई. So guys, there are a lot of videos that I have shot in vertical frame because back then I did not know how to be making this video, and so that's why I did not shot it in horizontal frame. So don't mind, huh?
Cheers भाई, हारने के नाम पे सारा हारने किरण किरण कब है किरण oh
This is not mine, guys. This is Arav's towel. My God, and this is my towel. I have just given it to Arav. Why so?
Why?
Last only, guys.
ड्रिंक है
Why कह रहे हैं सबसे पहले ये बोल
Talking about my roommate, his name is Ashif Chaudhary. तो आशिफ के सिर्फ दो काम थे. वो है कि क्लास में सोना और रात भर जग के गेम खेलना. वो बस यही, उसको बस गेम खिलवा लो और वो he was a true gamer. तो कभी कभी क्या होता था ना कि वो रात में सो जाता था और मास्टर स्किप कर देता था. So अब मास्टर स्किप कर दिया तो वो उसको फिर बुलाना पड़ता था. So I've got a video of him whilst he was sleeping and the master is going on there. So let's watch that video.
Ashif has no idea.
हाँ भाई
गुड
चल भाई
You're... Come on. उठाया था भाई तुझे. अबे चाचा को थोड़ी अरे
पार्टी को पेल दिया बिना दारू के.
आलोक बेटा बेटा बेटा
मैं काफी थका हुआ महसूस कर रहा हूँ.
क्यों ऐसा क्या कर
बाकी
दिया?
हमारा जो हमारी टीम का लक्ष्य था मैं उसमें
तबले तो बहुत बढ़िया बजाए.
कामयाब हुआ. बहुत बहुत आभार आप लोग के प्यार और दुलार का.
Love is like a dream, slowly unfolding in the album pages. Each picture.
So now I'll talk a bit about Shorleys festivals, any events, any extracurricular activities that happened in my tenure. So starting with Shorleys, basically you get Shorleys on Sundays, regular 9 to 5, and on rare occasions, thoda extend kar dete hain time period, but it's their prerogative. So I've got some videos of the places which I visited, during my tenure, and yeah, let's see. So we used to celebrate festivals as well. We celebrated Holi, Diwali, and we celebrated Onam. It's a South Indian festival. And one funny thing about Onam, what happened was कि अब South Indian थे हमारे साथ में. अब वो उनके पास तो लुंगी थी, and we did not have any lungi. So what we did was कि we used bed sheet as a lungi, and here's the photo of that day. I mean, that was really hilarious. And we celebrated Garba night, Amaratri, and many more events. Now let's see the Diwali celebration, how we celebrated Diwali, and it was amazing. Let's see.
अरे सॉरी एंग्लो में
दिवाली, हैप्पी दिवाली।
वज भाई का परफॉर्मेंस है गाइस।
अपना परफॉर्मेंस है भाई।
आज दिखा देना
लेजेंडरीज 29-3
है
लेजेंडरी।
अगर उन्होंने अच्छी परफॉर्मेंस करी इंक्लूडेड है यार। ये बस सही वाला बोल रहा बट इग्नोर, क्योंकि वो मेरा भाई है। फोन भी उसी का ही है इसलिए यार। पॉज कर दो, पॉज कर। गाइस तुम कुछ बोलो यार।
सौरभ से ज्यादा बढ़िया बंदा नहीं है, और साहिल तो अपना भाई है। साहिल तो
गाइस यार डार्क मैजिक, ओ माय गॉड माय गॉड।
डार्क एलिक्सर बोलते हैं तेरे को भाई, ये कितना ज्यादा
यार। बाय द वे गाइस सौरभ मैं हूं गाइस, तो मेरी तारीफ हो रही है। है भाई
बिना प्रोटीन के।
ये है रीलर, द ग्रेटेस्ट रीलर ऑफ ऑल, प्रियांशु द जैक ऑफ ऑल ट्रेड्स, बट मास्टर ऑफ नन, सेक्शन वॉल। ओ माय गॉड, प्रियांश द ग्रेटेस्ट सेड्यूसर, द ग्रेटेस्ट
रॉबर्ट डी ग्रीन।
आदित्य भाई
गाड़ियाँ सबसे बढ़िया
भाई, वो तो है
गाड़ियाँ के मुंह में सबसे बढ़िया।
होगा कि रुड़की उत्तराखंड में।
हाँ आज दिखा दियो फाइनल भाई। ऑल द बेस्ट भाई, ऑल द बेस्ट। क्या बात है बस। प्रभु राम रामचंद्र की जय।
So if I talk about events, one of the main events was Oceania. Our batch conducted Oceania and our seniors conducted Manthan. So basically एक event host करना पड़ता है, multiple events होते हैं. So yeah, it's a lot of fun, and and one of the events was food stall, and we participated in it, and this is our stall. We sold momos, and yeah, that was really fun. It was amazing, and this was the name of our food stall, and yeah, and it was really amazing. मजा आ गया था भाई.
प्रियांशु मोमोज बैक टू बेसिक क्षेत्रीय नाम है ना, नेपाली है. ये मकड़ी देखो बड़ा वाला रखा
हाँ भाई मोमो बिक गए इधर देखो. हाँ भाई मोमोज आरिगातो. अबे वो आ गया.
मोहब्बत हो गई है तुमसे मेरी जान मेरे दिल पर मेरा है सवार कर लो जितना बेकरार हूँ मैं खुद को बेकरार कर लो मेरी धड़कन समझो तुम भी मुझसे प्यार कर लो.
This is a faculty of ETO. Shiv. Nizan, move your hands. Oi, Nishan, करना करना. बैठा जल्दी. Contrast. Oh yes, baby. अबे बस सर इन्हें टर्न करवा दीजिए सर, ऐसे टर्न करवा दीजिए. This is the library. Main gate. This is the main gate. This is the main gate. Our academic block. That's our boat. The boat jetty area. इधर आ. कुछ भी I mean
इंग्लिश हिंदी.
अरे हिंदी बोल लो सर.
एक साल बिताए हमने यहाँ पे, मस्त मजे आए एकदम. और जो कैमरा के पीछे बंदा है वो एक नंबर है.
अबे भाई अच्छा what was your best memory
Best memory? Fight.
with who ओए अच्छा was
Best in the sense lessons मिले बहुत.
अच्छा no but genuinely apart from fights and all
POP.
POP was good for you अबे यार मुझे तो
मतलब
बकवास
मेमोरी
लगी
ठीक है और उससे भी बेस्ट मेमोरी जब हमारा आखिरी दिन था वो था best.
हाँ that was very emotional moment
That too boys को emotional.
अच्छा do you remember your first day
Yeah.
explain
तेरे साथी तो था.
hi Shom is a nice guy bye bye dude
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you have enjoyed this video. And I would like to say one thing, that I never really thought that I would be making this video, but here we are. So this random thought came to my mind, and I was like, okay, I can work upon it. And I was like, just I compiled all the videos together. And to be very honest, I kind of wanted to share my experience as well. But yeah, it was a very random thought process, and I just like worked upon it. And yeah, so this is how it happened, and I just went with the flow. And thank you very much for watching, and like